please.
Good morning. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What is your name?
My name is Lubdhak.
Mr. Lubda. Do you like video game?
Yes, I like video game.
Please tell me about it.
Thanks for your asking. I play a video game which is PUBG. PUBG is a realistic game. Many people play it. There are many modes in it. If any people win, they have a chicken dinner. Um, PUBG is my favorite game. If you not play PUBG, you shall try it.
I think it's the exciting game.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.